Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to convert the document in the Google Doc to become the PDF. And also here I will share you some tricks within this Google Docs. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this doc.google.com, and of course you need to do the login first with your email. And here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And after the logged in, you will see the several apps from this Google. And after that, you can simply scroll down and click this docs, and it will show you the homepage of this Google Docs like this. It's like the template and also the several files that you have made before. And for example, I will choose this one. You can simply click it. And how to convert it, it is very easy. So this will be, if you remember about the Microsoft Words, so this kind of the Word or Microsoft Word format. And you can simply click file and click download, and you can direct this PDF and click this PDF document, and after that this file will be officially downloaded and it will be saved into the PDF file like this guys. So you can try to use this Google Docs if you would like to change or convert it to become the PDF file. And another trick that you can do within this Google Doc is searching for the history of the editing guys. So if you would like to see or it's like the remember about things that you have edited before, so you can simply click file. And after that, you can direct your cursor into the version history. And after that, you can click this see version history. And after that, you can see the history of the editing in this file like this. From the empty blank page to become filled by this, it's kind of the copy or the cover letter guys. So this will be the history, and you can also restore to this version from this one to become this one. You can simply click this. So that thing to see the history of the editing guys. And the next thing that you can do is you can type something into this Google Doc without even typing something over here, but you just need to talking guys. So the first step you can do, you can click tools, and after that click voice typing, and also make sure that your microphone is on like this on the view side. And after that you can start to speak, and also you can also make sure about the language that you would like to speak. There are a lot of language over here, and let's say we can choose it to become English in the US version, and you can click the speak. Good day everyone, how you doing? And you can stop the conversation or the speech by clicking this red button, and the let's say that it's like the transcribing will be stopped. So you can use this voice typing guys. And the next thing is you can also simply translate this file into the another language. For example, I will translate it into the German and click translate, and kindly wait for the process, and it will direct you into the another tab, and voila, a lot of words over here in this file has already been translated into the German. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this Google Docs. That's it, to convert your file from the doc to become the PDF, and also you can explore a lot of tools that has been provided by this Google Doc. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.